2026. Energy, consistency, and perseverance. Dear teachers and learners, at the start of 2026 school year, on 8 January, when teachers across Namibia returned to their classrooms, I paused to pray for every single one of them. Teaching is one of the most demanding callings there is. Every day, teachers stand before young minds, shaping not only knowledge, but confidence, character, and hope. The impact of a teacher reaches far beyond the classroom. Teachers help shape the future of Namibia itself. My prayer for every teacher this year is simple but powerful. May you have the energy, the consistency, and the perseverance to take one day at a time and to maintain high standards right through to the end of 2026. To all learners, I want to speak directly to you. In my grade 10-11 textbook introduction, I asked the question, how do you walk 500 miles? And the answer is, one step at a time. Do not let the year ahead overwhelm you. Do not be afraid of the length of the journey. Just focus on today. In each day, put in energy. Pay attention in class. Ask questions and do your homework. Be consistent. Show up every day and keep doing the small things, even when it feels hard. And consistency will build perseverance, the ability to keep going when challenges come. Perseverance is what leads to real success. This week, many learners will receive their 2025 examination results. If your results are not what you hoped for, please remember this. It is not the end of the road. As the Honourable Minister of Education, Sanet Steenkamp, recently said, there are institutions and pathways that allow you to improve your results. Success is not a straight line. There are setbacks, falls, and disappointments, but those moments do not define you. They strengthen you, and you can rise again. If you are struggling, please reach out. Make use of helplines, teachers, parents, and institutions that exist to support you through this process. You do not have to walk this journey alone. So let this be our reminder for the year ahead. 2026. Energy, consistency, perseverance. Take it one day at a time. Keep going, even when it is difficult. Believe in growth, not perfection. I wish every teacher strength and encouragement, and every learner courage and determination. May 2026 be a year where you grow not only academically, but also in resilience, confidence, and purpose. You are capable of more than you think.
When mathematics is a struggle and you feel in trouble,